All right, let's go for a quick workshop tour. Just got a new DJI microphone. I'm actually testing it out. Let me know what you think of the audio. Right here we have a red oak table where the customer had the slabs sawmilled but not kiln dried. We kiln dry them, glue them together, and then do our wide belt sanding. We also cut it to final length. So all the customer has to do is a little bit of defect filling, hand sanding, good to go, finish it off. Stunning Canadian black walnut here, loaded up. This is around 1,100 board feet of pure, unadulterated ecstasy. So heading out to Quebec, Ontario, one of our furniture customers who builds a lot of tables in Quebec, Canada. So big shout out to the team at Concept M Rustique. Thanks again for the order. Over here, we have a walnut tabletop that is pretty much done, honestly. But we need to get finished samples sent to the customer. This customer's in the good old US of A. So we're gonna get some finished samples for this customer, and then they're gonna let us know what's their choices. We're gonna get it finished up. Gotta make some legs still. Parts everywhere, parts everywhere. Beautiful quilted maple with black walnut back supports for the 6 dining chair tables that I'm working on. Over here we have a tabletop that I built a number of years ago, and our customer moved. They brought us the table back. They have a smaller room, so we shortened it by about 2 feet. We shortened the benches as well, and we just got a little bit of sanding, get some finish on it, and then we'll be done with that. That's a pretty quick job. We have an 11-foot long ash table. This is a 8-foot section, and there's gonna be 2 leaves that go on there. We just did the C-channel. Now normally we don't inset the C-channel fully down, but in this situation we did make another pocket so the C-channel is actually slightly under the surface of the wood on the bottom side. That way we're able to add our leaf hardware and the leaf can go on. We're just doing super simple that we attach another piece of C-channel this way, and then the leaf drops on, and then you bolt the leaf on. That way there's no cuts or no funniness, and it's a pretty inexpensive way for our customer, our clients, to get a table with leaves. Another project here, we got this glued up last week. This is the bottom side. This is a spalted maple countertop for a local customer. So this got wide belt sanded today, surfaced perfectly flat. And we have just a little bit of filling that we're actually doing on the underside. So again, pretty quick, pretty simple, easy job. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boards. And of course, as a woodworker, it's always nice to see glue lines that are practically invisible. Really, really happy with how they turned out. These all glue lines, because these are relatively short pieces, 6 foot, we did do it on the jointer, and then most of the time we use the sliding table saw. But I actually jointed all these edges and they came out super, super nice. I do have 6 dining chairs on the go, and I am at the crest rail stage. This one here has it's got a front and back curve, it's got the top and bottom curve, and we're just mounting them in there. I do have the chairs fully sanded from the bottom side down. So a lot of work has been gone into them, and we're on the home stretch now. Here is the remaining crest rails. So I got them traced on there. We're gonna cut this out, cut that out, get it mounted in the chair, and then get our back brace holes drilled out, and just keep on keeping on. Over here, one of our #1 dealers here in Mississauga, Ontario, which is basically Toronto, Ontario, ordered up 500 board feet of Canadian black walnut. Actually going to do a video on how we get this surfaced. So this is coming out of our kiln, and we're going to be running this through our jointer planer. 2 of us, I'll be feeding it, Tyler will be catching it, James will be scaling the lumber, and we should be able to process this amount of lumber in, I don't know, about half an hour. Certainly in under an hour, which is pretty exciting. Another skid of lumber heading out. You may have guessed it, we sell lumber. We sell lumber direct from us, the sawmill, wholesale pricing, and not only good pricing, because you can have great pricing, but you can have really, really poor quality lumber. We strive in having the best quality lumber. We sawmill it properly, we dry it properly. We've invested in the equipment to then surface it properly. So we have a CNC, whereas if it's got a little too much twist or something going on, we like to flatten one side first, and then we'll run the lumber through either the planer sander, 52-inch, or the jointer planer. A lot of the time, because of our vacuum kiln has a hydraulic press, we're able to go straight through the jointer planer, and it comes out really, really nice. This is the rest of the 4/4 that came out. So this will be packaged up, and we'll have this in our inventory. We have about 5,000 to 10,000 board feet of 5/4 and 4/4 Canadian black walnut in our inventory right now. So yeah, if you do need some lumber, let us know. Get in touch with us. And that is pretty much the super quick shop tour. Thanks everyone for tuning in. Thanks for subscribing to the channel. Really appreciate it. Till next time.